step into the Kia 2019 Forte FE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, AvoPlay AM/FM MP3 audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.